Oh, well, someone's having a case of the crabapple McNasties, huh, Stuart? Stuart!
I hate math. I teach it, Dad.
Stuart!
You math, you get C's. So I don't like it.
Stuart! What do you think you're doing?
Ripping stuff.
Oh, but why are you doing that, Stuart?
Look what I can do.
Stuart, stop ripping up your math book. Okay? Well, if you...
Let me do it.
No, Stuart, if you're a good boy, you can have one of these chocolate pretzels.
Ooh, give me some now.
Do you want a chocolate pretzel?
Pretty please.
Do you want one? You
Yeah,
can have...
Let me get
Stuart?
it. Let me do it.
Stuart!
Let me do it.
Stuart!
Do it.
Okay, Stuart, you can do it. Well, no, slow down there. Don't choke on yourself. Don't.
Really close.
Stuart, don't choke there. Like, be careful. Stuart.
This reminds me of the time when Mama brought back that one guy from Africa, and he gave me all this chocolate.
Now, Stuart, what did Mama say about talking about that guy from Yucca-Buck?
My mother says if I talk about the black guy, he'll rape me in my sleep.
Yeah, that's right. So what are you doing? Guess who's coming tonight? Because you're talking about him.
No!
Well, Stuart, I can't